Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are satisfied, Ninja Ripper installed, matching Visual C++ redistributables and administrative rights. Once done, launch the game in windowed or borderless mode so the Ripper can hook reliably. Next, open Ninja Ripper, set an output folder and file name prefix, then select the appropriate API, DirectX, OpenGL, or Vulkan. Make sure to adjust capture hotkeys now. These first steps get you ready to perform the initial dump without guessing later. You perform captures by triggering the configured hotkey during the scene you want. Aim for moments where models are fully visible. Once triggered, choose single frame for specific assets or continuous for animations. Timed mode helps with sequences. After a rip, check output logs and the file list to identify missing textures or broken meshes. If results are noisy, refine settings, lower capture depth, change LOD thresholds, or add include/exclude patterns. These refinements reduce clutter and improve usable exports. You finalize by exporting meshes to OBJ or FBX, and then importing them into Blender or Gnosis to assign textures and rebuild materials. Make sure to fix UVs, recalculate normals, and retarget animations where needed. For large scenes, batch convert textures and clean up duplicate vertices. If hooking or captures fail, first try switching the API selection, run the game and Ripper as administrator. Disable overlays and antivirus, or revert to a previous Ninja Ripper build. This one troubleshooting tip resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.